morning class. Today I am going to discuss about sag. Now what is sag? When we are connecting a conductor into two poles, if this one is pole 1 and this is pole 2. Now this one is a conductor. What is this? Conductor. Now what happens? If these two poles are nearby, then that wire that is like in a straight line, से सीधा ही कि थाए से एमती सैग हुए नहीं एठु असला वर्ड सैग माने टिकेटा बेंड ही जिबा वायर टा झुली जिबा सो आमे जदी डेफिनेशन टर्म से पढ़िबा सेटा कोन कहिबा सैग मींस जदी दीटा पोल रे आमे कोन करछु गोटे लगेछु कंडक्टर वी आर कनेक्टिंग ए कंडक्टर ओवर हियर नाउ इफ दिस पोल्स आर really in a distinctive distance, then what happens? तारटा आमे जेतरे गोटे खुंटरो आ गोटे खुंट को लगाउछु सेते बेले सी सैग हबार संभावना बेसी थाए झुली जिबार संभावना बेसी थाए सेथि पई पाखरे पाखरे जदी आमे पोल दबा सैगटा कम हेबो तो एबे आमे डिटेल्स को जिबा वी विल गो टू द डिटेल्स टू दिस sag. Now what is sag? In terms of definition we can write down. Please note it down. It is defined as the vertical distance between the line support of tower and the lowest point of the conductor. That means what? This is the vertical distance between whom? This and this. This is the lowest point. If I say this is the lowest point of the conductor, if this is a conductor, then its lowest point is here. It is the distance between the line support, this one, to the distance between the lowest point of the conductor. This is called sag. It is denoted generally by S. We can denote it by S. Next point, denoted by S. Please note it down. Now we can discuss about what are the factors that is affecting that sag. Affecting sag. First point, weight of conductor. First point is weight of conductor. This one is the conductor. जदि आमे भारी वेट वाला कंडक्टर नबा से बेसी डाउनवर्ड जीवा पे चेष्टा करिवो बा बेसी सैग हबो जदि आमे गोटे किछि मात्रा हालुका कंडक्टर नबा तार सैगिंग हबार प्रॉपर्टी कमी जीवो तो when it comes to the weight, so weight is डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू सैग ता माने कोन वेट जदी गोटे कंडक्टर बढ़िला सैग मध्य बढ़िबो जदी वेट इज reducing then sag is also reduced बुझियला so please note it down weight of the conductor is directly proportional to the sag. We can write W is directly proportional to sag S. जदि हमें स्नो एरिया को जीवा जदि स्नो पड़ी थी या ऊपर दिस आल्सो increases the weight of the conductor and simultaneously sag will also increase. So ice on conductor or snow on conductor, ice or snow on conductor increases the sag of that particular conductor. So this is about weight of the conductor. Second factor is, please note down everything that is being written. Span length of conductor. Point 2 is span length of the conductor. Now what is the span length? What do we mean by span? Span माने कौन? The distance between the two poles, that is span. That is span. Distance or the span we can say between the two poles. So when the poles are quite distant from each other, that means their distance is increasing, so as their span is also increasing. जेते बेसी दूर रे थिबो दीटा पोल वायर रे जरा हम कंडक्टर टा जत्ता बेले ता देरे लागुची से समय रे कोन हो सैग मध्य बेसी हो जदी पाखे रे थिबो दीटा सारा पोल्स ताहाले तार सैग टा कमी जिवो. So we can write span length of the conductor is directly proportional to the sag of this conductor. Please note down span length of the conductor is directly proportional to the sag. That means जदि span length टा बढ़िला, if it is increasing then it is directly proportional, sag will also increase. Now if this is decreasing then this will also decrease. Same. Next factor is tension or the tensile strength. Tension on the conductor. Point number 3 is tension on the conductor. I am erasing this. Now what is tension? वायर टाकू जेते आमे जत्ते जोर टाणी की धरिबा ता टेंशन सेते बढ़ुची जेते लूजली आमे ताकू छाड़िबा ताले तक से कोन हो टेंशन ता तार कमिला तो जेते बेसी आम एमती फर्मली ताको धरिबा होल्ड करिबा वायर टाको से तार टेंशन ता सेतिकी बेसी थिबो इफ वी होल्ड इट लूजली देन वी विल हैव सैग ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर कंडक्टर ता माने कोन टेंशन जार एटा जदि दीटा पोल हुए जा जदि टेंशन बेसी भलो से अछि पाखरे दीटा पोल अछि एंड टेंशन भलो अछि देन द वायर विल बी स्ट्रेट एडी किछि मात्रा रो सैग थाय बट डिस्टिंक्टिवली हमको जाना पड़े नाही सो नाउ tension is indirectly proportional to the sag. Tension on the conductor is indirectly proportional or inversely proportional to the sag. We can write T. Suppose tension is T. It is inversely proportional to sag. That means what? If tension is increasing, then sag will decrease. If tension is decreasing, then sag will increase. Next factor is temperature. Now what happens in case of temperature? In case of temperature, when we are getting rise in temperature, that means what? There is an expansion in the conductor and the expansion immediately turns for the increase in the sag of that conductor. जेते टेम्परेचर बढ़िबो कोन होबो कंडक्टर टा एक्सपैंड करिवो जेते कंडक्टर टा जदी एक्सपैंड करिवा पय लागिला एला गोटे पर्टिकुलर एटा गोटे पोल दीटा अछि कंडक्टर टा एमिति अछि से टेम्परेचर पाई कि कोनला एक्सपैंड कला व्हेन इट इज एक्सपैंडिंग सैग विल आल्सो एक्सपैंड इट विल आल्सो इंक्रीज सो वी कैन राइट फोर्थ पॉइंट इज टेम्परेचर increase in temperature or we can write temperature increase leads to increase in the length of the increase or expand the length of the conductor. So eventually sag increases. So temperature increase is directly proportional to sag. Temperature increase ala sag भी increase होगा temperature decreases sag will also decrease. These are the things. Next, another factor that is affecting the sag is wind. Wind is एटी धर पवन देला wind हला पवन हला एई समय रे कोन हो तारटा बेसी झुलिबा पय लागिबो it will if the wind is affecting this now what happens sag will come into play तारो increase करिया पय से लागि जिवो sag ता कंडक्टर note it down next heading दियो wind if wind speed increases then sag increases. If wind speed increases then sag will also increase. That means what? Directly proportional. Wind speed increases, sag will increase. Wind speed decreases, sag will also decrease. So this is all about sag. These are the 5 factors that are affecting the sag. What one was weight of the conductor. Second point is span length of the conductor. Third is tension on the conductor. And fourth one is temperature of the conductor. And fifth one is wind speed or wind. So these are the factors affecting the sag. Please go through this. This is like we can get 5 marks question or 3 marks question, 5 or 4 marks question. The next class we will be discussing about the calculation of this sag. In general, it is we consider it in 2 ways: for hilly area and for plain surface. Hilly area रे साधारणतः कौन था तार गुड़ा केमिति लाइट थे this way. যদি কেউ দেখিଥିବ sag এইভাবে আসে, but in plain surface what happens, we get the lowest point of the conductor over here. But hilly area रे कौन हुए sag रो point टा by the lowest point of the conductor that we don't get right here. We will consider it in the next class. We'll discuss this. So thank you for the class. I can take your leave now.